final round of qualifying at the TOC. Every year they have a big crowd on the final day. They take the kids out of school, they come in, and the crowd is electric. I'm gonna get shots of everyone from the house. We got BJ, Brad, Kyle, they're all in the top 10. Let's go out and have a fun day.
What's the move off of that? Big bad Brad Miller.
How we doing?
Remember how you said you wanted to go even today?
Yeah.
I think you're doing
I had that at the water game one, man.
All right, Chris Vi, anything for the camera? What'd you say?
Hooray.
24 more games.
All right, ladies and gentlemen.
Hopefully your thumb can hold up.
For this year's PBA Tournament of Champions.
Pack, how do you feel?
Of course, thank you to our
You went
PBA
27 over and you're not going to finish last. That's not something you could say this year.
Like every time in this tournament, I bowled all right. I threw the ball very well. I just never was able to stop 379. 379 a lot.
You ended up beating Mitch.
I ended up beating Mitch.
Yeah.
He deserved it.
He shot 170 the last game to go +1 overall.
He bowled really well after that first block.
I got him. Oh yeah, I got him there. But not like Chris Vi.
I did.
Dab straight. 246 to get in there.
Yeah, big dog. Let the big dog eat.
It's the last chance to have the scoring pace be under 230. And surprisingly, it somehow worked.
Here we are.
What do you know? 210 on the PBA Tour at the Tournament of Champions is a good game.
Brought to you by Anthony Simonson.
Do you guys bowl tournaments? I know you do, because you're watching us bowl tournaments. That's how I know you guys watching bowl tournaments, okay? I need you to do me a favor. I mean, you guys.
All guys.
You guys need to go bowl the Greater Ozarks Open, okay? It's from my hometown, where I used to live, Springfield, Missouri. It is the second biggest tournament in the nation. It's about 1,500 teams in it every year. It's a team singles and doubles from February to June. People that run it are amazing. I'm not just saying that as bias to me once working for them and being there. It really is a great tournament. You can go to greaterozarksbowling.com. That's greaterozarksbowling.com. Go bowl, go have some fun, go make a little bit of cash. We all like to make a little bit of cash, you know what I'm saying?
What's going on, guys? I have taken over the camera this week at the TOC. Didn't make it out of the PTQ, but I get to watch the boys. Mitch and I have had some good luck where I help him. Obviously, I'm not trying to step on any toes of ball reps, but I'm gonna try and help him. I'm gonna check in with the other boys and see if they need help. You know, just be that kind of guy. So let's get to it. We're in frame 7 of game 1. Mitch just missed the pocket 0 times with the earthing. 4, 9, 9 pin, 8 pin, 10 pin. You can strike out here for 227. That's what we're hoping for. There's no hook right, and there's a lot of hook left, so everyone's throwing urethane kind of, but most people are throwing urethane to try and control it. Let's see if Mitch can, you know, strike out here and get off to a hot start. We tried to react it. It's so flat in the middle and this place is so hard. The scoring pace is low, which is kind of nice to see. Halfway through game 3 here of the night block. You're throwing it good. Nah, you can strike out here for 230. We just need those off hits to strike. You know, 9 pins are just brutal right now. Just for Mitch, though. You had your new high game last game, 199. We just eliminate the 1 open a game, and that's a recipe for 200. So you're gonna finish strong here. I'm trying to do my best to be the emotional support ball rep. Sometimes it's a little harder to watch because you're like, damn, that's on me. But I'm not the one throwing it, so. So it's on them. The ball that I surfaced before we started tonight.
It worked out actually.
Got you to 60 over.
Actually, least expected. Actually,
You medium suspected.
The ball that I didn't suspect the most, or at least medium suspected.
But you know, 50, 60 over, 50 over that, right?
I don't know. Nah, I feel like
40. It's better than this morning. I take credit for.
a little easier.
I take credit for the good bowling, but not the bad bowling. That's what a ball rep does.
Figure out what to do in the flash, I guess. Saw something. I learned something. Worst comes to worst.
You shoot 300 game 1 tomorrow. It's smooth sailing from the rest of the way.
If I shoot 300 tomorrow, we're getting wild.